All right, gang, check them out. If you have ever done a holiday light installation commercially, you know about these and you are probably in love with these. But if you just do it at your own home, you might not be aware of these, and I want to kind of show these off to you. These are magnetic clip lights designed to help you install your holiday lighting very, very easily. They're simple design. They've got a magnet on the bottom. They've got a plastic clip with different angled openings so that depending on your light setup, you can slide your light in and click it in. You can slide them at the top and click it in. You can slide it this way and click it in, so that depending on how your lights need to hang, you have the appropriate way to slide the lights in there and leaving your magnet exposed whichever direction that you need it. These magnets are fairly strong, and so they are going to latch on to most gutter systems, most metal guttering systems, most flashings if you're using it on a side of a commercial building. I work in an office and we decorate all of our buildings, and it's got metal flashing all the way around, and these are incredible. One of the things I do love about these is they are reusable. So once you install these once, as you roll up your cords, as long as you take decent care of these, the next year all you got to do is unroll your cords, put them up there, and these magnet right into place, and leaving a perfect setup, helping you each and every year save a little bit of time on your Christmas decorations. Listen, if you are doing your own house lights, or you're doing some house lights at a business, and you need a good way to install them, I think this is the way to go. I think you're going to love these. I think you're going to love how much time they save you, how easy they are to use, and what they do. Check them out. These are the magnetic clip lights. They come in a pack of 100. These are by Science Authority. I think you're going to love them.